What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Aisha Michelle. If you have not yet done it already, go ahead and hit that subscription button below and the notification bell so you are aware of every time I upload a video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with all your friends. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see other things, let me know. I am new to this YouTube stuff. I'm getting into it, so just bear with me. Anyhow, let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I am doing another headband wig tutorial. Now, I have already oiled my scalp and I did my edges ahead of time and I put on my protective cap. And this video today, it came in this packaging here. And also, I would like to say, as you can see, the quality of this video is A1. This weekend, I had ended up getting me the 12 Pro Max just so I can get this YouTube going, because at first I was recording my first two videos on my XR and the quality of the video was horrible, and I'm like, well, maybe that's why I'm not getting any views. I'm not completely sure why, but I figured try and fix something. Back to what I was saying. In today's video, I will be doing a review and a quick tutorial on how I put on a headband wig. This headband wig is from Amazon, but on the side of the box it says here perstarhair.store. I'm not sure if you can either go online to get this wig, or I will put the link down below of where I got it from if you guys like it. And in this wig, this is a 26-inch body wave. In my last video I did a curly, and I want to see what was it like with the body wave. So in the packaging, this is kind of sort of what it looks like. It comes with protective caps. Oops, I dropped the card. It comes with ways on how you can care for the wig, and then there it looks like they always get, what is that, 5-star rating, and it comes with the get a free wig gift, just some information and everything. It also comes with the spray bottle. You really probably wouldn't need it because it's not a curly wig, it's more like a body wave, but this is helpful for other things, you know, you can use it for. It comes with 2 headbands, just random. They're pretty cute. And then of course, this is the wig. Let's see. This is my first time trying this one. So. And this was a 26-inch. I'll show you. 26-inch. So, let's see. Test it out. Okay, cute. This is coming right out the package. I did not try this one on at all. And in this one, it also comes with 3 combs at the top, 2 on the side, 1 right in the middle, and then it comes with the 1 on the bottom, and then of course the attachable headband for more security. And I'm probably going to do the same thing I did with the other one and just kind of cross it for more security. So let's see how it goes. I may not have to. This one I'm gonna try and see, because this one looks a little smaller as far as the length of the band. So let's just see. Secure it with it. Yeah, I wouldn't have to twist it like I did the other one. Okay, it's giving me, it's giving. Oh, and I love it because this is human hair, so you can dye it and color it how you want. Like in the fall, I'm probably gonna color it, and I'm probably gonna do a video on it. I'm probably gonna do like a fall color, but that's the, I don't know if you can see it. But do you see this? Like, and the color matches mine. Like, what? Yes. Let's see. Ooh, that's cute. I mean, I'm liking it. Okay, so let's try it with the, oh, I do got this one. Let's try this one. Oops. My AirPod. Hopefully that didn't mess my mic up, but my AirPod dropped. I have the AirPod Pros, which I love them. Had them for 2 years now. So I'm just gonna scoot in just so you can see it. The only thing I don't like, honestly, is this part is like a hump. And then with my curly one, it was more smooth, like. But I feel like I can cover that up with the headband. Let's see. It's cute. I really gotta stop doing that. Leaving stuff upstairs. So let's see how it looks. If I do like a half up, half down type of thing. And I'm also kind of doing like a haul too on a few headbands that I have purchased from Amazon. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I like it. I mean, you know, it's not as full as the curly hair, so like I could throw some curls in this. I could probably straighten it, you know, as well. Let's try the other headband that came with it. I always like to try and look and see how it looks with their products, you know, with their items that it came with. You can never go wrong with more headbands. Ever since I purchased my first headband wig, I just been going headband crazy. But yeah, it's cute. This is just so, like, I would never put a sew-in in ever again. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, my next one is going to be a straight one. I'm gonna do another review on that one because I feel like I would never do a sew-in. Like, no. For what? Like, for what? In this quality of this video, like, get you guys the 12 Pro Max, please. Like, right now, get you a 12 Pro Max. And then, like I did in the other one, I want to see how it looks with it up. And then if you have a headband on, obviously, it'll cover that. But I'm loving this one. Okay, so let's see what I have here in my bag. So I had bought these from Amazon as well. It came with 3. I gave one to my stepdaughter. It's like a blue one. I love these. So this white one, I really ordered it for the white one because I want to wear it on my wedding day, which is next month. Yes, this is life. This is giving what it said it's supposed to. This is cute. Let's try the. So it was a 3-piece for only $10. And I know at the beauty supply store here in Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, one of these is like $10. Like, this one is so cute. Yes, that black is giving. But yeah, at the beauty supply store here in Cincinnati, Ohio, they are like 1 for $19. So when I seen 3 for $10, who? Yeah. So I will also leave the link in the bio for those 3. And also I got a pack of 12 headbands, and once again I gave most of them. I gave half. How many did I have? I had 12, so I think I gave like 2, 4, 6. I gave half to my stepdaughter as well. Just because I don't eat all of them, you know what I mean? So These are some, and it came also in black, and then it came in another blue and like a oranges color. It came in, it was 12 for like, I think it was like $7. I cannot remember, but I will leave the link in the bio so you can look. It is different like sections where you can see what colors and different patterns that they have for these, but I thought these were so cute. And then since, you know, like for the fall, I really like these colors, you know, some nudes and stuff like that. So I'll leave the link in the bio for all of this. This is giving. I love fall colors. And I love to decorate my house for the fall too. Trust me, YouTube videos are coming, but this is just, I just wanted to show you guys what the headbands look like with this style. Just a little bit. And I think that is so cute. And I also got scrunchies. And I gave, once again, half to my stepdaughter. I had everything in this big old Bath and Body Works bag because I should have did a haul on that, honestly. Because I, as you can see, it's like a whole bunch, literally. And I'll leave the link in the bio. It was literally 75 scrunchies for, I want to say like $5.99. Don't quote me. I'm gonna put everything in there. But I gave half to my stepdaughter as well. This match, no. Oh, let's see. See what it gives. And there you have it. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day. Bye.